Say hello to the Emerson SmartVoice Tower Fan 2907R, an innovative home appliance that you can control with your voice. Keep your home cool and comfortable with a smart fan that's easy to set up. No app, no hub, no Wi-Fi required. Just talk and let the fan do the rest. Let's go through the steps of how smart is made simple. Hey fan. Fan on.
Fan on.
Hey fan. Fan speed up.
Speed increased.
Hey fan. Fan speed up.
Speed increased.
Hey fan. Sleep mode.
Sleep mode.
Hey fan. Normal mode.
Normal mode.
Hey fan. Sleep in 15 hours.
Turning off in 15 hours.
Rotate on.
Rotation on.
Hey fan. Rotate off.
Rotation off.
For more information and full user videos, please visit our website at emersonsmart.com.